NDI 670 is a new heavy-duty skid loader launched by Rippa, suitable for heavy-duty working conditions such as snow removal market and municipal maintenance, with super adaptability. NDI 670 has a working weight of 1,230 kilograms, a maximum loading mass of 670 kilograms, a maximum unloading height of 1,725 millimeters, a maximum loading height of 2,260 millimeters, and a climbing ability of 30 degrees. It can realize a variety of operation modes to meet different work needs and improve the flexibility and diversity of work. Adopting Kubota D1105 engine, powerful performance and a compact design. The extra torque brought by excellent performance greatly contributes to the improvement of processing performance. At the same time, low fuel consumption, low vibration, low noise, and environmental considerations have reached a high level. The hydraulic cylinder adopts a reinforced design and an integrated design to reduce welding and prevent cylinder breakage. Interchangeable international quick-change couplings enable quick and convenient replacement between dozens of accessories, including 4-in-1 buckets, sweepers, breaker hammers, forks, etc. The interior of the cab has been optimized and upgraded, with a cab height of 1,900 millimeters and an adjustable seat, which greatly improves comfort. The layout of the joystick and instrument panel has been optimized to conform to ergonomic principles, so that all drivers of different body types can always maintain the best comfort for operation. The centralized switch design greatly improves the convenience of equipment operation and the work efficiency of the driver. NDI 670 is becoming a new generation of skid model with its super adaptability, excellent performance, good controllability, and a brand new driving experience.